Look at this, guys. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Load this with guacamole. Oh my goodness, look at this. What's up, people? Welcome back to another video. My name is Omar, and this is Omar Over Fire. What we're gonna be making today is gonna be really delicious. We're gonna upgrade the discada. The one we made before, it was really good, but this one is gonna be even better. So don't go anywhere, stick around, because this is gonna get really tasty. This here and this here, this is chicken and this is pork. I made that marinade that we made before, El Pastor. If you guys want to watch these videos right here, I'm going to put it right here for you so you can watch this video. But this is what we did. We made the marinade and we let it sit for about 6 hours now. So that's why it's late. It's really late. It's dark in here, but that's okay. Let's make this. We're going to do this with 3 different meats. We're going to do it with chicken, we're going to do it with pork, and we're going to use steak. And of course, we can't forget about chorizo and bacon. You see, on the last video, we used hot dogs. This time, we're gonna use Italian sausages. All right, let's start with the bacon. That bacon is smelling really good right now. And we're gonna put our chorizo in there. Look at this. Chorizo gives it a really good flavor to anything and everything. The Italian sausages, we're gonna add them later. It's looking really good. I'm starting to like these videos at nighttime. These cameras are doing a really good work. To that, we're gonna add the chicken. And then we got our bistec. This is already chopped up in little pieces. Look at that. Look at that. Now, we're not using hamburger this time. We're using steak. And we're gonna change these gloves. Here we go. Now there's a reason why we made the other discada. The first video on the first discada that we ever made, I think I spent somewhere around 40 bucks for everything. So think about this, it's 40 bucks for other, and it was really good. It had a really good flavor. But you also have to remember, we use ham, we use bologna, we use hamburger, bacon, chorizo. That was the ingredients on the other one. This one right here, we spent 140 bucks, I believe. It's 2 pounds of pork, 2 pounds of steak, 2 pounds of bacon, Italian sausages, chorizo, 2 pounds of bacon breast. So for all of that, it was somewhere around 140 bucks. So think about that. So this one is on the high end. This is like really good discada. It's perfect for any occasion, but think about that, it's a little expensive. We're gonna cut this on the small pieces. And when I make something like this, I like to make enough. That's the best thing about this type of foods. They're not for one day, they're for several days. And like Mr. Steelcracker say, hey, while we wait, we hydrate. I got a question. What do you think of this? Jim Beam. This is black edition. This right here, I'm gonna tell you one thing. I don't like Jim Beam, okay? The reason I bought this is because it's black, okay? That's the reason why I bought this. So, and because it was a little bit on the expensive side. For a Jim Beam, 40 bucks for a bottle, I think it was on the expensive side a little bit. But This one right here, you can taste the barrel. Wow, that is pretty good. This is really, really good. Somebody told me this on the comment section. That's the reason why I bought it. I don't remember who you were, but whoever told me about the Jim Beam Black, hey, thumbs up for you, buddy. It's really, really good. We're gonna put some of these onions in there. And then we're gonna put our special ingredient. We're gonna put a Modelo in there. Oh my God, the smell of this thing, guys. So my question is, have you tried this? Have you ever tried this? And if you did, tell me what you think of it. Now, since we're gonna be waiting on that, let's make a guacamole. So for that, we got the avocados. We're gonna use 2 of them. They're pretty big.
That's what she said.
And some tomatoes. Let's do this. 3 peppers in here. We're gonna put some onion on here. Look at this. So basically what we're making is a pico de gallo first. Just like this. Avocados. Oh my goodness, look at that. Wow. The way you get it out is just put your spoon in there, turn it like this, and there you go. There you have it. We're gonna squeeze a lime. Today is a beautiful, beautiful night. Look at this. This is a really, really nice guacamole. Cheers. That is really, really good. I like it. Let's get one of these tortillas ready. Now these are fresh made tortillas. I bought them this morning. I'll put them right on the coals, just for a second. I'm gonna try one of this. Oh wow. Italian sausages, guys. Perfect with this. Load this with guacamole. Oh my goodness, look at this stuff. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I don't know what to tell you except it's worth every penny that I spend on this. This is really, really good. This is perfect. You can load up those tacos. You can do whatever you want. You can even make a burrito out of that. Well guys, thank you so much for being here with me today. As you can see, this was a success again. We made some really, really good tacos. Perfect tacos, guys. This is really, really nice. I love cooking. I love doing this for you. These overnight videos are turning into a thing for some reason. Thank you so much. Thank you for the comments. Thank you for everything. But this is all I got for you today. I appreciate everything you guys are doing for me. Thank you. I love you. And I'll see you on the next one.